So, is AI going to take your job? Hi, this is Dr. Stephen Kirch of Profit Minds, and we help small businesses leverage the power of AI to grow their value. But AI taking jobs is all over the news, and I want to talk to you about it today. I actually want to talk about the positive things that may come out of this AI. Yes, there will be economic displacement. There was economic displacement when the Industrial Revolution happened, when blacksmiths lost their jobs to the factories. Farming has changed dramatically over the last 100 years in the number of farms. Technology changes and there's economic upheaval, and I don't want to diminish that if you're caught in it. But there was an interesting article in the New York Times last week about 22 jobs that AI is going to create. This was the author's speculation. But there are some things that, at least at this point, require humans. And so I want to talk a little bit about that. The things that they talked about were in three categories: in the category of trust, in the category of integration, and the category of taste, where humans will need to be a part of the equation. And so if you're worried about AI causing you to lose your job, maybe you should think about how you could turn what you do into something in one of these areas. For example, in the area of trust, maybe it's auditing what the AI is doing, or translating it, how is the AI working across departments or between AIs, right? An AI ethicist. What are the ethics of using it? What's the copyright law? All of those kinds of things. Maybe something like a legal guarantor in the area of trust, and a consistency coordinator. Because if you have generative AI creating things independently, they may look differently, and you may want to make sure that they're consistent from one area to the next. In the area of integration, that's more of a technical role. AI integrators, how do these different AI bots or AI operators, how do they work together? The agentic AI, as that comes in. Maybe AI assessors or AI plumbers to go in and fix things. I don't know if that's the right title. Or a personality director that trains the AI. And then finally, in the area of taste, maybe rather than be a product designer, you're going to be looking at the output of the AI and making sure that it's consistent with your brand. A story designer, or human resources designer. So to take a look at the implications of what AI might do to your career. I'd encourage you to take a look at the article in the New York Times and see what might impact your job and your career, and how you might grow to be one of these new AI specialists. If you want to talk more about it, I'd love to have a chat. The link's below. Thanks, and have a grateful day.